How to grow out a bad haircut. That's the topic of today's video. So if you've gotten a bad haircut, there's a few things you need to do. First of all, you could either call back the business, right, whether it's a barbershop or a hair salon, and just explain to the owner. Don't explain it to the receptionist. Just say, hey, can I speak to the manager, speak to the owner? Or if you can go right to the stylist directly, you know, sometimes that freaks them out, and sometimes they really accept it more because they can handle it how they want to handle it. But you need to let them know that something happened, okay? Because chances are, if they're giving a bad haircut to you, they may be giving it to other people, okay? It's like, don't let your friends drink and drive. Well, don't let other professionals give bad haircuts. It's up to us and you to stop them. But it's important to know, because you can simply call and speak to the person who has done your hair and say, hey, look, you know, something really isn't right. When I got home, it's not laying properly. I don't think it's short enough. There's just something. Can you please, you know, have a look at it? Now, you need to understand this. If you are a client, if you're the person getting your hair done, please, please, please respect us as professionals, because there's two sides to every story. You, the client, can be a complete, I hate to say this, whack job, okay? You could be so particular and so fanatical that you simply just can never be happy. And I hate to say that, but after seeing thousands of clients throughout my career, I've come across a handful of a few whack jobs, all right? Now, when someone says to me, oh, I've been to 19 stylists in the past week and none of them can make me happy. Oh, great, and you're sitting in my chair now? Perfect. I mean, it puts a lot of pressure on us, and it's not the easiest to deal with. You know, I hate to say it because you have such high expectations. But if you do have a bad haircut or there's something going on that's not right, just let the stylist know, let the barber know if you can get a hold of them, or talk to the owner, talk to the manager. And then what's going to happen usually is sometimes the owner will have to eat the cost, or they'll have to talk to the stylist to find out what's going on, and then it could cause like some discrepancies and some tension, and who knows? It's really a nightmare, all right? If it's that bad, then you probably don't want to go back. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. And allergies are killing me over here. So you need to express your concern, and chances are, you know, you may have to just go to someone else. And I've seen it happen where you feel horrible, you don't want to call back, you're embarrassed to let them know, and you know, then you go on Yelp and write a 6-page, you know, review of how bad they were. I mean, don't do that, please. If you want to, that's fine. But so there's a number of things. It could be the communication is off. It could be the fact that you were telling them one thing and they got a whole different idea of what you were saying. Like, for example, oh, just trim the top. I just want like a 1/2 inch cut off. But then you expect a pixie haircut, right? You expect to have your hair like a foot shorter than it really is. But then you blame the stylist for that, but you were the one saying you just wanted to trim. And that happens all the time, where you end up wanting a certain look, and it ends up being a lot shorter, but you don't tell the stylist that, or the professional. So really, communication is key, is what it comes down to, communication. If you do get a bad haircut and you say, you know what, I don't want to say anything, I'm going to live with this, I'm just going to grow it out, never again am I going to this person, I'm just going to forget what happened, and I got to deal with this now. You can try to shape it up yourself if you want, right? You can watch my tutorials and you could try to figure out what's going on. And then sometimes it's a matter of just holding the hair up and saying, oh yeah, like I could see where it's uneven. Like by holding this section up right here, oh my gosh, look, yeah, that one piece is uneven. So what if I just trimmed it and, oh my gosh, now my haircut is perfect. Sometimes it's that simple, you know, but really what you need to do is focus on where the problem is in your hair. If you go home, if you get home and your hair's not laying right, find out where specifically it doesn't feel right. Is it in the back of your head? Is it throughout the sides? Use your hands. This is the best thing you can do, is literally rake your fingers like this. See the claws right there? Make your hands into like claws and rakes, and just start to run your fingers through and feel, right? Feel the hair and just, oh, here it is. Something is off, and it'll pop out at you. Trust me. The hair will talk to you. The hair will say, hey man, over here, something's not right. So that's what I do when I'm checking for a haircut. I'm running my fingers through the hair. looking to see what's wrong with it. And sure enough, you know, I'll take a comb or I'll say, ah, wait, this feels a little bit longer. Yep, there it is. It's longer right there. And then I can reassess the situation. So find out where the trouble areas are. Sometimes it's a matter of you just making little tweaks to make it look that much better, and then you can grow it out or you can do whatever. So it's really between communication, the initial appointment, the experience, and then getting home and trying to figure out what is the problem. Why is your haircut not that great? You know, and there's 8 million scenarios of what could be a bad haircut, let's be honest. But, you know, there are a lot of times where you can just do little things to make it that much better. And trust me, as a professional, for many, many years, I've seen all of it. I have a full range of products, hair products, styling tools, all sorts of good stuff, brushes. And if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off, which is an exclusive discount code. And it's free shipping in the United States on order values of over $50. Actually, stop using the discount code. Too many people are using it. If you want to, okay, fine. But literally, I'm getting, and I appreciate the support, but you're all taking advantage of this YouTube20 code. But thank you so much. Anyway, I appreciate it. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you've experienced this. How do you handle it? And I'd love to know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.